Next time, don't get demotivated seeing your weight in weighing scale.
Hi there, hope you guys are doing great. I have recently posted that weight loss is not a linear process. So why did I say that? I started my thought transformation in May where I was 82.2 and within 3 months my weight was fluctuating between 82 to 81. I never saw 80. Okay, so I was struggling hard. I got demotivated that what the hell, my weight is not getting reduced. But when I look at my changes, I couldn't fit into my old dresses. I was feeling happy about it. So what I have learned and understood, weight loss is not a linear process because weight doesn't reduce as we assume that every week we'll reduce some grams, maybe 1000, maybe 300, 400, or per month how many. It doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because as I said, as we know, our weight, body weight is consist of water, muscle and bone. So these three are the compensation and it varies for each person separately. Some people have more bone weight, some people have less bone weight, and some people have excess of water, and some people have excess of muscles. But how do we can measure them? That's a very expensive process. Measure each thing and then we decide. Okay, people who have good money, please go ahead and do that. If I have, I will do it sometime. But when it comes to normal people like us, we only can measure our weight on a body scale, right? So based on that weight, we get demotivated that we are not reducing weight, right? So that's a wrong concept. We should not get demotivated with the weight. Frankly speaking, I was, because you have seen a lot of my videos how much hard I am working to get, because I had a myth, if I do more hard workouts I will reduce weight. It doesn't happen that way. So the quantity, the calories we are eating, we are burning and stored fat, it's all a cycle. Okay, when they function properly, then only weight loss or fat loss happens in our body. So that's a whole lot process. So that I was not aware, and I was getting, okay, I will do today 10 push-ups, I will do 30 push-ups, I will do squats, was pushing hard myself without understanding this loss process. So I went and I did some research and understood weight loss is not a linear process, which I have experienced now. Because when I posted a lot of my pictures, my friends, my family, everybody was, Usha, you had a great transformation, you have reduced a lot. And when they asked me how much I have reduced, it's zero, because my weight was just fluctuating. So what, my stored fat got reduced and I got a better shape in my body, which for a visual it seems I have reduced weight, but that doesn't mean I have not. But I have reduced the weight which our body scale is not measuring it. Okay, so if I go, as I said, if I go for an expensive treatment and check my fat loss, maybe it would be great, or my muscle loss. I need to figure out whether I reduce its fat or did I reduce water. I don't know until I go and do that expensive treatment, right? So for now, let's stick to it. Weight loss is not a linear process, and don't expect our weight to gradually decrease if you are going through a weight loss journey. Work on your calorie intake, work on your workouts, inner peace, your mindset. These are the 4 things we have to work to get the shape what we are looking. Okay, this dress I got on my birthday. It was in 1st August and today 1st. If you, I will just post a comparison page for you all, just to show you live. I am getting a hourglass shape here. My hip has become so good. My hands have reduced. I am getting better shape in my legs, and I have not seen my bow lines, which I am able to see. You can see my jawline. So I'm just loving myself. I'm seeing this new me. So when you go into a weight loss process, you have to experience the journey to feel each part of your body. Love your body as it is and make a difference where you want to it. Okay, because I have loved my before chubby thing also. Now I am doing this because I want to be healthy and active enough, because I get sometimes back pain, sometimes neck pain, and if I sit in a ground I could not. So that trigger me, okay, I should not be dependent on somebody. So that is going to give me like nobody wants to be dependent on anybody, right? That's the reason we have to be independent. So that triggered me. Why not just make a transformation for myself and just live a healthy life? That's the motto of me. But I want to do in a different way, where you enjoy the process and you love yourself. That is more important, because there are hell lot of diets and you do 1 day, 2 day, 3 day off, that's all, whole process is gone. So we should eat in a way where we love ourselves, we love the food, and we enjoy our workouts. That's the thing I want. I want all beautiful ladies to gear up, put your shoes, just start 30 minutes walk in a day to start with. Plan your day. 30 minutes is all you need to look good and beautiful. Take care, bye bye.